Hi, this is Lakshminaraya. I just want to give a feedback about the program we had today, cybersecurity management, and Amar's experience in kind of walking us through the cybersecurity management and the importance in the current day scenario, and how an organization need to be prepared and kind of things was very interesting, useful. And then the most important thing is experience, vast experience in handling, consulting large entity, international, multinational entities come in handy, and certainly these processes or the steps involved in the end-to-end process of cybersecurity